Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week last week as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on and gain a lot of pips. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. And as usual, I'll be starting up with the weekly time frame and we'll work our way down to the 4 hour time frame where I normally take my trades. So as you can see on the weekly time frame, that this past week was strongly bearish as price got up to this support, this resistance level over here. On the weekly time frame, we can see that this up move that the price made initially was more or less a fake out before bouncing back down under the breaking the support level again all the way down to this next support area that thus forming this very strong bearish candle. So looking at the weekly time frame, for me it seems like we are still very much bearish. We could have a retracement possibly, just to give us a good opportunity to sell further, but I believe this engulfing candle here on the weekly time frame indicates that there could be more bearish move. And what I'm expecting actually is for price to break this support level and price to continue down to this 1763 level or even further downwards as well. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that in the past week the price broke this broke back down to under this resistance level here and closed, giving us an opportunity to sell. And I entered my trade here and kept on selling as price broke this level here and got all the way down to this point before taking my profit. Now price is currently at this support level, and this is where we'll be looking for our key price reactions for the coming week. As you can see, price has tested this area several times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and now it's back to test this area again and has not broken it. Okay, so if we go to the 4 hour time frame, it's very possible that price could bounce off this area. As you can see, it seems that price is starting to make that up move, and this up move could possibly just be a retracement, and that is possibly up to this place here to give us an opportunity to sell further downwards. Okay, and this is what I'll be expecting in the upcoming week for price to maybe retrace a little bit up to this 1800 level before giving us selling opportunities to take it downwards. On the other hand, price may not continue all the way up here, but rather price may just reverse in the upcoming week and break this level downwards and just get to the 1763 level. So for me, I wouldn't be taking any buy trades on gold at the moment. And if price continues to the upside, I would wait for price to get to this level here before taking my sell opportunities. Even though prices may make this up move, and I'm aware that price may make this up move, I will still not buy to this level here, because like I said, I am strongly bearish, and that bearish move could start from anywhere. Price may not get all the way up yet, may just, for example, just get up to this level here before selling again, or even here. But if price do get to this level here, then I'm going to sell. So whenever I get a good selling opportunity, I would sell. And if price continues to the downside for next week and price breaks this level and closes below this zone on the 4 hour time frame, then I'll be looking to take my sell trades all the way down to the 1763 level. And also you need to remember that you don't look at one time frame in isolation. You have to analyze all the major time frames that you work with. And for me, that is the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and the 4 hour time frame. And the reason I'm saying this is just because of this trade here, or this candlestick that formed here last week, okay, or 2 weeks ago. Price came here to retest, and most of us took our buy trades all the way to this point here. This is where my take profit one was, and my take profit two was here, but price never got to my take profit two. So I was able to exit the trade around this area when I saw the price was about to reverse. again, if we go down to the weekly time frame, and the reason why we don't trade in isolation is that when you look at the weekly time frame, it shows clearly when price broke down below this area that this move or this up move here was just a fake out. And if you had moved to the weekly time frame, you would have noticed that that fake out had happened, and then your buyers would have changed to sell, and you probably would have capitalized from all the way up here, say around the 1825 level, all the way down to the 1780 level, and you would have gotten at least 4 or close to 400 pips on that move. So that's why we need to analyze the charts on different time frames. So, and that's why I'm saying that even if there is a retracement here to the upside, go to the daily time frame, go to the weekly time frame, and see what sort of candlestick is forming. And if price bounces off that level, look at what sort of candlestick is forming. Then correlate it to what is happening on the 4-hour time frame, and then you can take your trading opportunity. So to recap, for gold, I am generally bearish. There may be a retracement up to this 1800 level or 1808 level before giving a bearish signal to the downside. The retracement may as well go all the way up to this level here to test this resistance level around the 1830 level, as well as the trend line, before making that down move. That can happen as well, or price may not even retrace at all and may just break down this zone here and continue all the way to the downside. But whatever the case may be, I won't be buying gold at all, and I'll be waiting for sell opportunities. Even if price moves to the upside, I will look for good selling opportunities to capitalize on. So this has been my analysis for gold for the upcoming week. I hope this video is very helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel to help us grow. And I'll leave a link to my Telegram channel in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely week ahead. Cheers.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.